coming now. First, let me come to light.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So nice.
We just
Happy
have
Diwali to you.
Pooja. Where is she there?
Wait, Nandu. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I will take it to her. Wow. Yeah.
Nice.
Haribol Mataji.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday,
dear
Kavali Mataji. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Hare
May Krishna bless you,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hari Bol.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you. I never expected. I was thinking there was a class.
So nice of Rishvanu Prabhu to coordinate with us. Thank you, Prabhu.
He was telling me class only. Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone wants to go, Mataji? Mataji, you can stay with us for like about 45 minutes, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah.
Okay.
Who wants to go first?
I can go, Mataji.
Yes,
Yes.
Tangi.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Mataji. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. May Krishna and Guru Maharaj bless you.
Thank
May
you
all
so
your
much.
spiritual desires be fulfilled and Narshingadev protect you for good health. That's something that everybody need at this time, and that is wholesome protection, basically. So we offer our heartfelt prayers, Mataji, for your well-being in all fronts.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I don't know. I mean, I've not interacted with you personally, but I am a fan of your Govinda class.
Oh, Mataji, I didn't do anything. I was just like, mine is like very, very small parts.
Yeah, but still, Mataji, every Govinda class teacher, what you're doing is so valuable for the kids, because especially kids, they don't listen to what their parents say, but anything else other than the parents, they will take it very seriously. That I see with Prahalad, and he comes to your class, and he I mean, I don't need to tell him at all. Now it's Govinda class, he comes with all interest and so much of patience and dedication, sacrificing your time. So
They
all
are so
those is
wonderful
going a
children,
long
Mataji.
way.
They are really, really wonderful children.
They got wonderful teachers like you. And also, I know, like Preeti Vilasni Mataji has told that you've been her neighbor in Atlanta, and
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
such a close friend of hers. So yeah, that's one reason that all of us can get together to wish you on this day.
Thank
All
you.
blessings from all friends, Mataji. That is my heartfelt prayer.
Thank you so much, Mataji, for your wonderful wishes. Like, I even heard like a lot of from you about you from Preeti
Oh,
Mataji. So
ma-
it's like, I always see that now also I think my Prabhu was saying it's a Lalitanga Mataji's class, so we have to attend.
oh,
So
Krishna.
I was like, wow, okay, let's attend kind of.
Oh, no, Mataji, I am like a person who failed in 10th class for 30 years. That's how I'm so long. All of you, look like you have joined very recently compared to what I joined. But then the spiritual advancement that, all of you are making are amazing, Mataji. You're all taking off from where you left from the previous life. So thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for your association, Mataji. Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Mataji, can I go?
Yeah. Indu Mataji. Who wants to go?
Radhika.
Oh yeah. Yes, Mataji. Please go ahead.
Radhika Mataji.
Radhika Kasturi. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranams.
Hare
All
Krishna.
glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. Mataji, I haven't had any personal sort of interaction with you, but I want to wish you a very, very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. May Sri Guru and Gauranga give you the choicest blessings of your choice, and may you progress in devotional service, Mataji. So with the few interactions that I have with you and being a Govinda teacher, I definitely want to share some experiences of you, Mataji. First thing is your attractive smile and saying yes to everything that comes on your way. Everything, I mean, in the sense, I've had a few things that I wanted from you, but you were so spontaneous and ready and ready to give, ready to say an yes, and then do it immediately as soon as possible. I heard you were working and still you were probably multitasking with your services and doing multiple things at the same time. I know how it works. I know how stressful it can be because you're working and trying to juggle these things and making sure that you perfect what you do. Even here, you don't take it lightly because I see that the pictures, the graphics that you put in your Govinda classes, oh my God, I definitely, I'm taking that from you because I really love the intricate details to your presentation that makes it very lively. I'm not a creative person per se, but when I look at all of your slides, I get motivated because the kids, they get attracted seeing the pictures, especially my younger one. He jumps into joy when he sees beautiful Krishna pictures and comes and gives me a feedback. Amma, you should use this picture even in your class. Okay. You can't steal it, but you have to look for some pictures from the internet and try to put it so that it will be attractive for the kids. So he gives me all that good advices. A lot to learn from you, Mataji. And Preeti Mataji has definitely, I mean, it's both of you are very close friends. That itself is a blessing. Coming under the association of devotees and learning from each other would have been a great experience for you. So definitely, Mataji, lot to learn from you, and I'm so glad to be part of Govinda Group. And obviously, I'm learning a lot from you in terms of the slides and how you interact with the kids, Mataji. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol Mataji. Actually, your creativity in making the videos and also the PPT.
Mataji, I'm not the one. I'm not the one.
I think
That is
Radhika
just
Mataji only, right?
This is
no,
Kasturi.
Mataji. This is another Radhika. I think she's not here. She has a
Oh, okay. Sorry, because I
no
don't see the people. But yeah, I
I'm not
have
a
very
video
less
person.
interaction, Mataji. The main thing is, okay, Sita Prita Mataji, and because of Preeti Mataji and Sita Priti Mataji, I just came to these classes and I was giving my just a small part and then going away. So,
Absolutely, Mataji. But you make a big impact.
no, not at all. Thank you so much, Mataji. Such a wonderful, those words are really encouraging. At least I have to, improve more and more. So thank you for doing that, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Radhika Kasturi Mataji. And also Lalitangi Mataji. Thank you. Anyone wants to go next?
Hare Krishna, Ratnavali Mataji.
Hi, Bol
Happy
Mataji.
birthday. Actually, Vrinda want to wish from long time. Okay, Vrinda wish. She want to call you also actually. I said evening we will talk. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ratnavali Mataji.
Thank
I
you.
like having you teach in the class. I love your class, Mataji. Thank you for everything. That's
Thank
it.
you. I'll be always waiting when will Balavrinda will talk. You are our little inspiration for us. Especially the slokas, the nice talks. we always talk about you only. Even I tell to Nandanandan.
Nanda.
Yeah.
So thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. I am
Very
very,
good,
very
Mataji.
fortunate to have associate with you, Mataji, through Preeti Mataji. I heard many glories from her, and I'm very, very fortunate to associate with you through the Govinda class always. And you used to join Damodar that time regularly with Nandanandan, and I used to hear his voice, and you were regularly joining and making him, and we all learned together slokas. I remember how much eager you were learning slokas with Vrinda and Janavi and everybody. It was very nice. Always used to ask Mataji, send me the recording, send me the recording. It is very nice, Mataji. And I heard so many glories from Sarojanandini Mataji also, that how you both were nicely teaching in Atlanta for Sunday school. It's nice, Mataji. And when you were there with Preeti Mataji for the holidays, I was feeling so jealous seeing your pictures. Mataji, I also want to come there and have a nice picnic with all of you, Mataji, one day. And I
Yeah.
missed to meet you when I came to Atlanta, Mataji. Next time when I come there, I will definitely meet you, Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you, Mataji. Mataji, first of all, we have to learn. I mean, I have to learn the sincerity and the dedication that you show for the Bhakti Sangha group, Mataji. That's really amazing. It's like
Mataji,
it's
so
like
nice.
night outs you do. I know, like Preeti Mataji also told me, so many night outs you do. It's like only I cannot imagine how much work you're doing. Thank you,
Mataji, it's
Mataji.
all
Thank you for
association,
inspiring
Mataji.
us.
Mataji, in your class, the lessons that we learn is very, very nice. You ask, what is this activity? How can we, whether it is Krishna conscious or not, what is bad thing, what is good thing, especially when you do that kind of activities to the kids in Govinda class, they know, Mataji, this is wrong. So especially watching TV and all, you ask the kids whether this is good habit or bad habit, and kids will agree that it's a bad habit. So look how Vrinda is seeing me. Whenever these kind of activities comes, now everybody says this is bad. Then she looks at me, oh, okay. Every time mommy also says the same thing. But I think that is wrong. That mommy is saying me not to watch or not to do this. But when teacher is saying, they will think, okay, this is not only told by my mom, but also teacher is saying to me.
Now Brinda will kill me.
Thank you for those lessons, Mataji. This is really very helpful for me.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank
Hare
you,
Krishna,
Mataji.
Nandu. You look so pretty when you are small. I saw your pictures, Laddu you were. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nida Mataji. That was so nice. Mataji, can I go next? Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Ratnavali Mataji. Even we have Akshita wants to wish you.
Happy birthday, Ratnavali Mataji. I like when you give your classes and the especially story classes. It's very nice.
Thank you, Akshita. You are such a wonderful student. You always answer the questions. I really like that. And yeah.
Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
And we never interacted much, but you are an integral part of Govinda class. Like you take such wonderful story classes for kids, and I have observed in your class, kids love to talk to you. They are like always Mataji, Mataji. They are interacting with you very nicely. So I'm sure the kids love your class. So we are. And thank you for that service, Mataji. You're making nice slides for your classes, which are definitely useful even for other younger kids who will, use all those slides. So thank you for your service, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's like Mataji, when I last week when I attended your class, right? I was thinking that, oh my God, I have to learn a lot from because the way you're telling is also really good. Coming to their level.
I'm still learning, and I'm learning from all these Bhakti Sangha teachers only, Mataji, including you. You like the way you interact with kids. It's very nice, and I have to talk to you.
Thank you, Mataji. And so, like, kids are very amazing. And,
So you are in Atlanta, Mataji?
yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a lovely place. Like, yeah, whenever probably when I'm there, I would like
Please,
to.
yeah, you all needs to come. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mataji, once again. And we like Nandu also. He's so cute. Haribol, Nandu.
Haribol.
He's Haribol.
He just turned 5, Mataji. So, he's
Okay.
like grown up.
Yeah. Have a nice day, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you.
Yeah. Who wants to?
Krishna Mataji.
Pretty Mataji.
Hi, Bol. Wish you a very, very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. You can hear me?
Yes, Mataji. Thank you. From India, you are wishing me. Wow.
And thank you, Mataji, for your wonderful association. And you are always ready. Like I always like feel that whenever I tell you anything, like Mataji, can you take up further? Like you're always ready for suggestions, and that humility which you have, it just reflects from your behavior. Like whenever you are, whenever I've called you or whenever you chat, like it is. I know you're so busy, but then do you find time, and that really thing makes you feel that okay, you love Govinda group so much that you love to give stories. And next thing what I felt was like you are so much into your Guru Maharaj instructions, like when you make those charts and those Excel sheets and to make kids learn something, right? Because last time when I was having talk with Priti Vilasini Mataji, and she said that yes, she likes those applications part. So if it is any application part, give it to her. And I think that is the way we started with the Thursday session of moral stories. And I knew you would love it. And we did not want to miss you at any cost. So we said, no, at least those 20 minutes you come. And kids wait for those stories, like this, yay, story time. And the way you tell them, that also is very convincing, like it just brings away the best from them. And that bonding with the teacher is so important, and the kids can bond with you. So it's not like how many times you see a teacher, but it is what you get from the teacher and what you feel about the teacher at that time, that really matters a lot. And I think you're doing it so wonderfully, and I'm definitely like sure that your Guru Maharaj is so happy with your services.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you. I think it's very less to talk about you, Mataji, because every time, no, seriously, the schedules you make, right? How you divide the portions, that is really amazing, Mataji. Like, you just went to India and then started again. That is like unimaginable. I was telling to Preeti that, oh my God, how can Sita Preeti Mataji can start so early?
Nothing else to do, Mataji.
There is lot, Mataji. I can see, and that in the morning, early morning. Oh my God.
Oh, there's so much to cook.
So much to cook.
That is the only way to stay connected.
Thank you so much for the, for giving me some service, Mataji. Otherwise, nothing. It would be so material in my life.
Your application parts really, Mataji, are so wonderful. Like, and that is most needed for the kids, at this age. It's so much needed, and you're doing it such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful service.
Thank you, Mataji. It's all Guru Maharaj's mercy. Like, I don't know, somehow I feel like application is the key thing. So I always revolve around that. I don't.
And you know what, Mataji, you are so fortunate. Tell me why.
Why, Mataji?
Because you have a best friend like Priti Vilasini Mataji.
That is true.
It is a blessing, it is a blessing. It is really a blessing. You
I
have
think
her
I've
for
made
so-
some past karma, very good karma. I can agree.
That is the best thing one can have, you know, like she is there for, and anybody you ask, and she's there for everyone.
Yes.
It's really like we love her so much, and you are so close to her. It's like you are her younger sister. Nandu, Haribol.
Volleyball.
Who is that? Iron Man? Is that Iron Man? Iron Man? Strong like him?
Yeah.
Or you have to be strong like Krishna?
Yeah.
Whom you want to be?
Iron Man.
Iron Man only.
Okay. Sure, Mataji. I think Indu Mataji is waiting. Hare Krishna.
Aiyo.
Hare Krishna Ratnavali Mataji. Dandavat Pranam. Can you wish Mataji?
Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you so much, dear.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much for the wonderful classes that you take. Your moral stories. That is one class that Pranav likes to attend a lot. And he really enjoys the way you narrate the stories. And he will tell me, oh, this is how you should narrate. And this is what you should do. He will always have so many lessons for me to teach, you know. So thank you so much for that, Mataji, and wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Preeti Vilasini Mataji talks about you a lot. That's the only way in which I actually know you. So she's mentioned that you are a very good gardener and you love to plant a lot and you take very good care of your Guru Maharaj and you do a lot of services for him. So very nice to know such a great devotee and a very good disciple. So please bless all of us that we also someday would get there. And hope you stay healthy and happy in Krishna consciousness all the time, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji, but nothing I am. It's like, I think Preeti Mataji has said so many, you know, she hyped it, but I'm not nothing. I don't have any other.
Oh, she loves to talk
Hyped
about
it.
you like best buds.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you. I mean, again, I'm saying, like, everyone, like, you all are the heart of Govinda class. So without you guys, like, Govinda class, no group won't be there. Thank you so much, Mataji, for inspiring me.
Haribol, Mataji, I don't do anything for Govinda, but all the other Matajis are definitely for them. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Haribol, Mataji, many more happy returns of the day.
Thank you, Prabhu. So she dragged you also in this.
Yeah. What's Nandu Pandu doing?
Nandu, come. He is like waiting and he's thinking that my mom is getting so many wishes, not me.
Nandu, I will wish you, Nandu.
Come. Okay, I'll stop talking now. Come. See, I should stop talking.
Okay. Nandu, what's up, buddy? How are you?
Tell, how are you?
Good.
Very good, very good. So you're playing Iron Man. Good. I saw your picture dressed up as Iron Man.
Yeah.
Nana sent it. Yeah. I'll let you guys continue. But anyway, very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day and a year ahead, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Thank you.
So Prabhuji, before you escape from us, so since we didn't get a chance to
Mataji,
your birthday,
Mataji Vrunda was saying he also has his birthday, but we didn't wish him.
yeah, so let's all
Oh,
wish.
Brinda sent me a very cute voice message.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you.
So we will all join to wish Prabhuji a very, very happy birthday.
Mataji, actually, I really wanted you all, thank you all. Because of you all, I was able to get Jai Patang Maharaj's blessing. So thank you very much, Mataji.
Prabhuji, I didn't do anything. You put birthday and you come, you get the blessing. But he was so happy when you couldn't hear him. The first time I heard him asking that, are you able to hear me? So definitely, Prabhuji, we wish all the best and thank you for supporting our dear Preeti Mataji like this. So that's the only and main reason for us to wish you. So nice, Prabhuji, and our heartfelt prayers for protection and blessing of Narsinghadev, your Guru Maharaj, and dear Gopal. Hari Bol.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you all.
Oh, he escaped now.
I was about to tell that.
Who's next? Is it me?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. Ratnavali Mataji, as we all know, is a very close sister. So since many years, since when maybe 2011, 12, or maybe from that time. So we have been together in a lot of our journey in Krishna consciousness in various ways. She's my senior, actually speaking, meaning like I look up to her for many things, especially in terms of her sincerity and steadfastness. She's very to the point, she's very goal oriented, especially in Krishna consciousness, I'm telling. She has these correct sense of right and wrong, and she sticks to it all the time very, very nicely. She doesn't compromise. I'm a person who compromises on everything, or everything I compromise, but I've never seen her compromise on anything. She tries to be the best in every aspect, and also she puts her 100%. For me, if something doesn't work, it's okay. It chalta hai. I'm like that, Okay, if I'm not able to do it, so what? I'm like that. I don't put my 100%.
We don't see you like that, Mataji.
No. I don't for a
Sorry
soul.
to interrupt.
But she is very pakka. And what is amazing is that her loyalty to her spiritual master, it's so, it gives you goosebumps. So Maharaj stays with them and she serves him day and night. She and Prabhu, both of them, they serve him so nicely. And Maharaj comes twice a year or thrice a year. And it's not an easy service, meaning like you will be hosting your spiritual master for days together. That is a real test on the person. I would say it's so stressful actually. It's a very nice feeling. At the same time, it's a big responsibility to live up to the expectations of the spiritual master. So it is a big test in one's spiritual life to be in close association with the spiritual master on a very regular basis. Because right from keeping the house to training the children, to taking care of the child, to taking care of the home, to be perfect in cooking, to be perfect in everything, deity worship, because you're watched, right, directly by your own spiritual master. So that's something great. And I'm very thankful that now and then I do get an opportunity to serve along with her and get trained. And I've been trained by her in many things. Like, for example, baking and so many things actually in terms of keeping things in order. So I'm very, very grateful. I have been in person and learned from her many things in life, especially in Krishna consciousness. So I'm extremely grateful. I never expressed it in so many words before. I always, treat her like a sister. Like we just don't talk anything formal. But then I thought I should say it. That I've been very, very inspired by her in various ways. And she's regarding teaching, I think she's one of the oldest Govinda teachers. When we started this kids sessions and split it into Govinda, Damodar and Madhava, that time we had some orientation by her. She was the one who gave an orientation to all the new teachers who were supposed to take up Bhakti Sangha. And then after the orientation was over, she became one of the teachers. So she's one of the oldest teachers in Bhakti Sangha, and she continues to be a teacher. So many people may not know that, but I really wanted to say that she was the one. Some of you know it actually. Some of you were there when the orientation for the teachers was happening with Rajeshwari Priya, and she brought in Ratnavali because Ratnavali had a lot of experience in Atlanta temple teaching. She was the teacher for many years for the younger children. Actually for the Damodar age children. But then after she did the orientation, she became the Govinda teacher on a regular basis. She's been teaching and she's been with us for a very long time. Though we don't see her much in the adult classes, in the younger kids classes, she's always active. And another thing, as many of you pointed out, is application. She's very application oriented. For her, nothing, I mean, if we can hear a lot of philosophy, we can hear stories, we can hear everything. We can do a lot of devotional service, but if you're not really applying it in our lives, it is meaningless. And that is something that is so important. She's very application oriented. And sometimes I think of her when I just do things without applying it in my life. I immediately think, if my Prabhu says, actually, try to do this with Ratnavali and see the reaction. You and her Prabhu. So Chandu, you take things for granted and you're very, very easygoing. Try to do with Ratnavali and tell me. So, and then we are like, no, we dare not do that. So that is what she is. I mean, she's a full package, and it's so nice to be her friend. I still remember the days in Atlanta when we did so many things together, pretty much everything, the Bhakti Vriksha, the cooking, the organizing, temple services, the teaching, I think everything. And then Nandu's birth. I'll never forget that year. Actually, this November period, we have to go to India because it's my father-in-law's ceremony time. But that year when Nandu was born, I didn't go because I had some other issues. So I didn't go. And Ratnavali was like, thank God you're not going this year. And that was the year when he was born. And it was we have had a lot of special moments together. We pretty much shared many years of life together, almost on a daily basis. So either she's with us or we are with her. We are always eating and always partying. So that is what we are. Thank you so much, Mataji, Ratnavali. Thank you so much. You are a big inspiration for all of us. And you have a very simple, humble demeanor. You don't make a fuss about anything. You're always very simple in the background. Very nice and very sweet, saying okay to everything. And that makes everyone's life simple. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for everything.
Mataji, I cannot negate everything now. It will be a big negation lecture now. But yeah, sweet memories, like, when you are in Atlanta and we came to Chicago, that was the best thing. It was, and we really miss your association, Mataji. That's why whenever we talk to you, we'll be like, when you're coming back to Atlanta. Yes, Mataji. And even I'm actually learning from you, Mataji. It's not like other way around. It's like I always think that how you are dedicated, like you're a full-time employee for a Bhakti Sangha group. So it's like more than that. Whenever I wanted to talk nowadays, I will be, she will be in this lecture or this some kind of an class. So I should not disturb her. And I'll find a time when the classes are not there, then only I'll be calling you. So, and you'll be always directing us. So, like your friendship and your family, and which is like our seriously our past karma, Mataji. I can say that Krishna has given us that you as our mentors, family member, everything, thank you so much for being with us, Mataji, in our life. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji, for coming. And it was nice when you are, when all the teachers can talk to you. It's really nice. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. I mean, I was wonderstruck when all this started. So, Thank you so much, Mataji, for all the time that you have given to me.
Okay, I think the kids are joining for the class, so we can.
Okay, thank you then. Hari Bol, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Look at Sita Priti Mataji. Sita Priti Mataji equal to enthusiasm. Day in and day out. I have only read about it. The devotees do service constantly, 24 hours a day. Now
No,
I'm
Mataji,
seeing that.
that is the only way, right? Like to stay connected. So it is just my own
My God. So
greed.
what's the time there?
6:10, Mataji.
10.
According to the this thing, Mataji festival, these all should be awake and doing Abhyanga Snan. I'm the only one who's done it now.
So
So I
today
think
festival you're dressed in a sari. You and Brinda
today is, yeah, and we are celebrating the Damodara Leela also today, right?
Okay.
Please join Mataji for the all right. After this, we'll have the offering of the lamp. So
Yes, ma'am.
if you can
Yeah.
join for some time, that would be great.
Yeah. I'll be here. It's Govinda
Yeah.
class, right?
Yeah. It's Narak Chaturdashi today now, na? So then morning celebration.
Okay.
Morning will
Brinda-
start only after 7
Right.
for these guys.
I know. Brinda was so good. Akshita was so good, Mataji, today morning.
Okay.
Kirtan, Shamavori Mataji said, let her sing. I was thinking, how long
Where
she
am
can
I?
sing? But she did it very well.
She kept on singing. Not stop. Even I was thinking how long she will sing now. But
Very
she
nice.
Thank you, Mataji. I will tell her. Thank you for encouraging her. Yeah, it's so nice to know about Ratnavali Mataji. Like, seriously, like these occasions, I really like to know more about Mataji's. Mataji, may I know who is your Guru Maharaj?
His Holiness Romapada Swami Maharaj.
Oh, Romapad Maharaj. Okay, Hari Bol. Jai. So inspiring to know that you're serving him so nicely, Mataji. It's really
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. It's all His
me
mercy.
that we also serve like this, like you.
It's all Krishna's mercy, Mataji. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, I think now Sita Priti Mataji's class will start, right? They're
Yeah,
joining.
stop recording. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.